What is good, YouTube? We are back with another video, baby. As y'all can see, we are in the ZL1, coming back at you with a little POV action. I'm gonna bring y'all along this little ride with me we about to do. About to ride over to the city, man, meet up with a few other content creators, a few other my homies, a few other car people, man. You already know what we doing, man. And I'm finna bring y'all along with me. Biker right now. Oh nah, did he just wave us, y'all? Oh, we got smoke? Hold on, y'all. We got smoke already? Oh yeah, you're gonna have to wait for me now. Alright, y'all. Y'all, he like he trying to run, y'all. It looks like I turned the camera on right at the right moment. This is crazy. He's waving me on, man. He wants to run, y'all. We gonna gap a biker today? Expecting that. You weren't expecting that. I'm on him. He was not paid, y'all. But hey, man, I just got gapped, y'all. What just happened? Hold on. We have to. Y'all, I just got gapped on the way here, on camera, in my video, y'all. What's going on, y'all, man? Y'all, hey, let's get right, man. Let's get right, y'all boys. Let's get right, y'all boys. We gotta tighten up, y'all. We gotta tighten up for sure. Man, we can't just be starting out the POV, jumping on the Mexican highways out here and just getting gapped. Like, what in the world was that, y'all? What in the world? But it's okay. It's okay. We was on low boost. That's my excuse. We was on low boost. But yeah, man, y'all, as y'all can see, the car, she's running lovely. She's doing fine. Oh man, those some good runs, man. Those bikes are fast, y'all. I wonder if that was a 600 or 1,000. Comment down below in the comments. Let me know if you know what kind of bike that was, because I definitely don't know. But yeah, y'all, good little run, good little POV action in the ZL1, man. Y'all comment down below. Let me know also if y'all like these POV videos. Man, I was really going through a lot of my old videos too, and I was looking at what I really used to do. And let me know if y'all want me to bring back some more of the talking videos. I know a lot of my older videos, I would really just be talking a lot about certain things, man. So I might start doing that again, bringing back certain topics, talking about them. I know it's a lot of things changing in the car world too. All these EVs discontinuing all the cool cars, man. Like, I don't get it, y'all, but hopefully they got something planned. If not, we gonna be in these cars for a while, man. We gonna keep bringing that content with them. So regardless, we gonna be tuned in, and yeah, we gonna see what it do. Y'all know, driving this car like this, I change the oil every about 2,000 to 3,000 miles at most, y'all. Like, when you driving a car like this, man, that's a must. I know I turn that oil black quickly. Sun's about to go down, y'all. As y'all can see, I got the, can y'all see? Yeah, I got the trim. Oh yeah, it looks better on camera, but I got the interior trim lining on. I usually like to keep it on purple, y'all, because it's like green and purple, kind of like the Joker or kind of like the Hulk. I don't know, I just like it. I really think the purple goes well with the green. Running low on that elope, man. We're gonna have to find us a little E85 gas station. Impromptu. One thing about this car, man, it's weird. I really can't smell the E85 too much. When I really step on it, when I step on the gas, then you can really smell it, which is pretty funny. But other than that, I feel like it doesn't smell too bad. Like the 85, you can't even really smell it in the cabin. what I really need to do, y'all, is I need to let someone else drive my car so I can look at and watch my car drive on the road, man, because that I think would be crazy, y'all. It's pretty much never when you actually see your car in real life driving on the road. It's just hard to find people you can trust. You can drive a 6-speed manual at that, and an experienced driver at that. Someone that knows really what they're doing. So, but yeah, we're gonna try to make something shake with it, y'all.